You don't have to be perfect to stand out. You just have to know how to grab attention and make your message unforgettable. In this video, I am going to share 9 powerful tips to make your Toastmasters speech stand out. So, let's get started. Number 1, start with a strong hook. Imagine this. You are about to give a speech on a stage. Your heart races, your palms are sweaty, and you wonder, will the audience remember me or my message? Here's the good news. First impressions are everything. The opening of your speech should grab the audience's attention right from the start. And you can do this with a compelling hook. It could be a thought provoking quote, a personal story, or a shocking statistic. Here's an example opening hook. What if I told you that 90% of success in public speaking is not about what you say, it's about how you make the audience feel? Let me explain. Second, develop a clear and relatable theme. You need to select a theme for your speech which resonates with your audience. It could be related to personal growth, overcoming a challenging situation, or the power of communication. I would suggest don't overwhelm your audience with too many ideas. Keep it simple and focused with 2 to 3 key messages floating around the central theme of your speech. For example, if your speech is about overcoming fear, focus on sharing 2 to 3 practical examples from your life where you have conquered fear and how others can do the same. Third way is use strong and vivid language. To truly stand out, your words need to evoke emotions. Use descriptive language to paint picture in viewer's mind. For example, instead of saying, I was nervous before my presentation, you can say, my heart was racing like a marathon runner about to cross the finishing line. My hands were sweaty and my words were hardly coming out of my throat, and I was feeling choked here. The more vivid and descriptive your language, the more the audience will resonate with you. Fourth, incorporate storytelling. You see, people don't remember facts, they remember stories. Period. So, if you can, weave a personal story in your speech. Your story doesn't have to be elaborate, it just needs to be real and relevant to your central theme. Use the classic 3 act structure to write down your story. That is a powerful introduction, a challenge or a conflict in the middle, and how you are able to resolve that challenge and give a strong message in your conclusion. Comment storytelling below to let me know if you want me to create a video on the art of storytelling, and I will get it for you. Fifth powerful way is use humor wisely. A well timed joke or a witty remark can break the ice and make the audience more engaged into your speech. Well, humor is a great way to make your speech memorable, but you have to use it strategically. And wait, worry not. You don't need to be a comedian to write humorous speeches. But if you can make light of a common fear or a situation, it'll make you more relatable and your message more approachable to the audience. I'll try example sentence with you all here. I'm not saying I am bad at maths, but when I tried to calculate the odds of speaking in front of all of you, let's just say I needed a calculator to give me some hope. If you have reached this far, I urge you all to like this video, share it with your friends who feel a little shy to stand up and deliver a speech on stage, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my subsequent videos. Number sixth way is engage your audience. Only the speech that engages the audience is memorable. Period. You want to make sure that your audience is also experiencing your theme with your speech as you speak. And more often, that is done by asking questions, making direct eye contact with the audience. You can even use a simple raise of hands when you ask a question and make them feel a part of your speech, make them realize that this story is also about them. Example, raise your hand if you have ever had a fear of public speaking. Keep it raised if you have ever wondered, am I good enough? Well, I am here to tell you that you are. Number seventh way is deliver with confidence. Well, if you're not confident in your delivery, it will be harder for your audience to believe in your message. So, stand tall, make that eye contact, and make some purposeful gestures which relates your theme with your audience. And remember, always remember, your voice matters just as much as your body language. So vary your tone and emphasize on the key points in your speech. Number 8 is use visuals or props. Well, a great speech appeals to more than just your audience's ears. Using visuals or props can elevate your message and make it more dynamic. Example, you can use a book like this to represent something or refer something as a piece of knowledge, or you can have slides to demonstrate or highlight some key points. The key is to make sure that these visuals or props enhance your message rather than distract from it. And finally, we have come to the ninth powerful way to make your speech stand out, and that is end with a powerful conclusion. Your conclusion is your last chance to leave a lasting impression on your audience. I'm sure all of you would want your audience to remember your speech long after it's over. In my opinion, the most powerful way to conclude is to reinstate your message and add a CTA, that is, call to action. Here are some tips for writing a witty and engaging conclusion. You can end your speech with a memorable quote or ask a thought provoking question related to your theme. Let me show you an example right now. Throughout this video, we have been using the example of fear as the main theme of the speech, example speech that I have shared. So, in on the same line, let me talk about how I can conclude that speech. As I stand here today, I urge you all to not let fear define you. Take that first step, no matter how small it is, and let courage lead your way. With this, I have come to the end of this video, and I'd like to say that remember, always remember, you need not to be perfect, you just need to be yourself. I would say, own your voice, embrace your message, and let your passion shine through. I hope these 9 tips will help you deliver your Toastmasters speech with confidence and impact. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn the art of articulation, then do check out this video. My name is Vidita Kher, and I will see you in my next video.